Making withdrawals in Bitcoin. To begin, log in to your personal area at Exness.com. You will see your Bitcoin account in the main section of your personal area. Please note that you will only be able to withdraw via Bitcoin if you used it to deposit. To withdraw funds, you will first need to make an internal transfer from your trading account to your Exness Bitcoin account within your personal area. Click on the gear symbol on the top right corner of the box that contains your trading account details and select Transfer. Select your Exness Bitcoin account and the amount you would like to withdraw. Then click Transfer. Enter the verification code, which will be sent to you either by SMS or email, depending on your personal area security type, and click Confirm Withdrawal. At this stage, your funds will be in your Exness Bitcoin account, and you will need to withdraw them to your personal Bitcoin wallet. Go to the Withdrawal tab and choose Bitcoin. Paste your personal Bitcoin address and specify the amount you wish to withdraw. Please note that the amount of fees will be deducted from the withdrawal amount, and we do not cover them. Click Next. Review the transaction details and confirm the operation by a verification code, which will be sent to you either by SMS or email, depending on your personal area security type. Click Confirm Withdrawal. The funds will be credited to your personal Bitcoin account when the transaction is confirmed by up to 6 blocks in the blockchain, which usually takes around an hour. You can always check your Bitcoin transaction status in your Bitcoin Wallet app or in any publicly available transaction tracker. Once your transaction has been completed, you will see the updated balance on your personal Bitcoin wallet. Please note that if the withdrawal amount is more than the amount you deposited, you will see 2 transactions in your Bitcoin Wallet app. That's it. Now you know how to withdraw using Bitcoin in Exness. Thank you for choosing Exness.